Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform. Load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Still on Big Creek Road, still in Banco. This hauler runs longer than it looks on the map. The creek folds the road back on itself a few times before you get anywhere with a different name on it, and I am not complaining. These are the roads I want to be on. 10,000 miners assembled not far from here in 1921. This exact corner of Logan County, the haulers feeding into the main valleys, was the terrain they moved through when they marched on Blair Mountain. I keep thinking about what it would feel like to know that history the way someone from here knows it, not as a thing you read about, but as a thing that happened to your grandfather's neighbors, on the roads you drive to the grocery store. The ground does not change its shape when you learn that. Big Creek Road looked exactly like this. The mountains do not announce themselves differently depending on what happened below. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.